So this is a sound check. It's not the actual concert, but I think it sounds like a really it's a nice piece that we did. The wound is the place where the light enters you. I looked it up, that quote that Sandy gave from one of Rumi's poems, where it says, I needed my wounds to heal my faith, and my faith to heal my wounds. And Rumi also said the wound is the place where the light enters you. And because later on in that concert, I sang with the audience, "Shine your light," I think it makes a lot of sense to look at what he's trying to tell us about the wounds, because often, no, we don't like our wounds, and we suffer, and we point fingers, and we feel bad. But Rumi is telling us that it's actually a good thing to have this wound, because that is where the light can get in. I know I've done it many times, that instead of using it as a portal for the light, I've identified with the wound, with whatever was causing me pain. I mean, what is causing us pain? Let's take it seriously, because the psychological pain we feel, it's very, very real. You cannot talk it away. If I feel bad because I've been rejected, because the love I felt for someone faded away, because I felt like I haven't found my role, my place in life, or maybe I feel a lot of pain because I'm not being seen, not being heard, or maybe because the dreams, like the childhood dreams, didn't come true. Maybe, well, a trillion reasons why I could feel hurt, why I feel pain. And I know I've done this often, that I would take the pain very seriously, identify with it, and then start to sort of point fingers or fall into the trap of poor me. Why is it always me? And I feel so sad, and I would get mad about it and be very desperate, no way out. But at the end of the day, whenever I manage to embrace the pain and just feel it and use it as a portal for that light, they say there's a crack in everything, and that is where the light gets in. And also, I've heard this quote that you cannot heal a problem at the level of the problem. And that's exactly where the light gets in. If we let the light in, that light is from another level, like from our soul, our higher selves, spiritual light, the light of divinity. Just let that light in, use the wound, use the crack inside to let the light in. And that light is a healing light. And then I don't have to walk around with that wound anymore. I can move on, and I can be grateful that the wound was there for me to open up and let go. And then it's like Christmas. Shine your light. So I think this improvisation is for that to just open up and let the light shine in and take care of the wounds. Move on to a higher place. Just allow the light to do its job, because you are the light. You are the light. You are the light. Remember, you are the light.
Dankeschön. Dankeschön.